There are many reasons to hire a commercial roofing contractor in Amherst, New York. Whether you need a new roof or need repairs on your current roof, there are several companies that specialize in the area. Here are a few to consider. Martin Roofing Contractors, established in 1952, Martin Roofing is a family-owned business. A second-generation contractor, the company has been providing homeowners and businesses in the area with quality roofing solutions. In fact, many customers have contacted the company because their parents had previously used the company. Martin Roofing is proud to offer a variety of performance-proven shingles, as well as solid manufacturer warranties. Founded in 1952, the company has served Western New York for over half a century. Their reputation is built on quality workmanship and affordability. The Martin Roofing team is experienced and knowledgeable. From basic repairs to complex roof installations, the company offers exceptional service to residential and commercial properties in the Amherst area. A Martin Roofing representative is always on site to answer questions and provide information regarding roofing. Geiger Brothers Construction. If you're looking for a professional and reliable roofing contractor, look no further than Geiger Brothers Construction. Founded in 1982, the company has a reputation for quality workmanship, high-quality materials, and friendly service. Contact them today for a free quote and to discuss your next roofing project. We offer a variety of roofing services, including roof repair, commercial and residential roofing, as well as siding and gutters. The Geiger Brothers Construction Company offers a variety of services. From roof replacement to repairs, our highly trained roofing technicians can handle any job from small to large. Our technicians can respond to emergencies immediately, whether a roof leak or storm damage. We offer warranties on all of our work. Our commercial and residential roofing services are available in Amherst, New York, and we look forward to providing you with the service that you need. Sun Incorporated. The Buffalo, New York, company is certified in the installation of most major commercial roofing systems. Their service areas include Rochester, Orlando, and Buffalo. These experts also carry special training that allows them to install some of the most advanced products. Call for a free quote today. The professionals at Sun Incorporated are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Contact them online or call 716-255-0998. I've used Sun Incorporated on a number of occasions, and I'm pleased with the results. They've painted an old house in Allentown and repaired a leaking roof. I highly recommend them for all your home improvement needs. The team is professional and did a great job. If you're looking for a company to complete an ambitious project, you can rely on the experts at Sun Incorporated. Switala Construction. If you're looking for a commercial roofing contractor in Amherst, New York, then look no further than Switala Construction, LLC. Specializing in new roof installations and repairs, Switala Construction can meet your needs from start to finish. They are fully insured and have 60 years of combined experience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.